Hello and welcome to Nadal. In this class, we will check out the next 5 marks question. What is median? What are its merits and drawbacks? Okay. Now, median is one of the positional averages. Okay. So, answer: median is the middle element when the data set is arranged in order of the magnitude. Median is that positional value of the variable which divides the distribution into equal parts. So, how do we calculate median? So when the series is given, first we have to arrange the series in ascending or descending order, and then the middlemost value will be the median. So so it is that average, like half of the values will be above the median and half of the values will be below the median. So median divides the series into two equal parts. Okay. Now what are all the various merits of median? First one, it is rigidly defined. So rigidly defined means what? Median has definite and certain value. That is, whoever is calculating the median, because of that rigid formula, everyone will get the same result. Everyone will get the same answer. So that is one of the very important characteristics of a good average. So median is having that kind of average, that kind of merit. Okay. Then the second one, even if the value of extreme item is much different from the other values, it is not much affected by these values. So this is both the advantage as well as the disadvantage. So now what is the meaning of this? See, for example, it is not affected by extreme values. So let me take example. Let me give you an example. So let us take 10. So in this series, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So in this, you know that what is the median here? So clearly it says that 30 is the median, isn't it? So 30 is the middlemost value. So we know that 30 is the median. Okay. Now let me change this. Okay, instead of that, if I'm making it 10, 20, then 30. So instead of 40, I'm making it into 100, and instead of 50, I'm making it into 120. So even if I'm making it to 100 or 120, still what is happening? Still 30 is the median, isn't it? So till 30 happens to be the median. So that is what it means. So median is not affected by extreme values. Okay, so it can be an advantage or it can be a disadvantage. As far as arithmetic mean is concerned, it is affected by all the extreme values, but whereas median, it doesn't affect the extreme values, because we are looking only at the middle position. Okay. Then the third one is, it can be located graphically. So by the median can be plotted graphically very easily by just looking at a glance in the diagram. So you can easily identify, okay, this is the middlemost position, this is the median. So median does not require the elaborate presentation of data in the form of a tables. Okay, so the table requires numerous information. But whereas the same thing, if it is presented graphically, you do not need that many kind of data to be the numerical facts to be remembered. So median does not need that all those numerical facts to be remembered, because median can be easily identified by looking at a graph, which is not present in the case of arithmetic mean. And the next one, for the fourth one, it can be easily calculated and also easy to understand. So anyone just having a basic knowledge of calculations, so any person who is having the basic knowledge of calculation can easily calculate the median, and for anyone who is having the basic knowledge of calculations can easily understand the median. Or in other words, to know the median, to calculate the median, there is no necessity for having a specialized or expert knowledge. Okay, so it is easily calculated and easy to understand. So this is also one of the characteristics of good average. So median is having that kind of characteristic. Okay, now apart from the merits, median is also having certain drawbacks. So first one, even if the value of the extreme item is too large, it does not affect too much Due to this reason, sometimes median does not remain the representative of the series. Okay, so just now I have given you the example. So it is both the merit as well as the demerit. See, if the series is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 also, the median is 30. If the series is 10, 20, 30, 120 also, still median is 30 only. So it is not affected, it's 120. So it is not entirely representing the all the values in a given series. Okay. Then the second one, median cannot be used for further algebraic treatment. So with whatever the median value you are getting, you cannot use it for further purpose. See, for example, if you take mean, so you can use it for standard deviation, you can use it for mean deviation. There is something called as weighted mean. So further algebraic treatment can be made or possible with the help of the whatever the arithmetic mean value which we are deriving it. But whereas in case of median, once you find the answer median, that value is not useful for any further algebraic treatment or very further mathematical calculation. Okay. Then the third one, in a continuous series, it has to be interpolated. So interpolated means what? So in a continuous series, what you are doing, you are taking the that middlemost class you are taking, that interval you are taking. So interpolation means the act of inserting or interjecting an intermediate value between two other values. You are just estimating or inserting an completely alien value into the given value. Okay, so that has to be done if the series is continuous. And then fourth one, if the number of series is even, we can only make its estimate as the arithmetic mean of two middle items is taken as the median. Okay, so now the same thing, for example, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So if it is, so now this is in the even numbers. So now what is the median here? What we are doing? So if you have to calculate the median here, what we have to do? We have to, so if you have to calculate the median in this case, what we have to do? We have to 30 plus 40 divided by 2. Isn't it? 30 plus 40 divided by 2. So this is how we are calculating if it is in the case of even, if the given series is in even numbers. Okay, so again we have to take, in order to calculate the median, we have to take the help of arithmetic mean, and then we have to calculate the median. Okay, now these are all the drawbacks of median. Hope you have understood clearly. And this is also one of the frequently asked questions in the board exam. So you can ask to, the question can be asked together for 5 marks as both the merits and drawbacks, or any one part can be asked for 2 marks. Okay, hope you have understood the answer. If you have any doubts, please mention it in the comment box. Otherwise, if you find this video useful, please like, share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so until my next class, take care. Bye bye.